guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be drawing a mermaid. You can follow along if you'd like, or you don't have to if you're just watching it. And yes, I came prepared. I have coloring supplies. I have this pink marker, a red marker, and a green colored pencil, and of course we need a regular pencil. And if you want, you can go over it in Sharpie when you're done, but again, you might make mistakes, so that's why you need an eraser. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to start by drawing a U in the center of the paper. Next, I'm going to draw her neck coming down from the head, like two little things, like, I don't know what, like almost like a half U. So after that, I'm gonna draw her arms connecting with the neck. So I'll start at where you finish the neck. We're gonna come up like she's waving. Then for the hand, I'm not gonna make it too complicated, just a little like half circle, almost like a horseshoe almost, and then come back down and then stop right here, so it's parallel with where you started. Now I'm gonna do the other arm, and if you want, you can retrace the neck and then come out with the arm. I'm going to do the same thing, like that. It's not the best, but I'll make it work. And I feel like I'm going to give this warning every time I make a video or a drawing tutorial or whatever. My parents are bound to walk into the room, okay? Just warning you. Moving on now, I'm going to go down from where you ended the arms. Just two straight lines for the body. And now for her seashells, I'm gonna draw two circles right where, right close to the arms. And then I'm going to draw three lines, two slanted, coming like almost like a V, and then one line down the middle, all connected in the same spot at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna make a little line to connect them, and two more lines going over her shoulder and under her arms. I'm gonna make this a little bit longer. Now, for the start of her tail, I'm gonna make a dot right here. You see, and it's not her belly button, it's just a dot for where both of the, I honestly don't know what they're called, the things are gonna end. So I'm gonna start at the dot, go around, connecting with the body, and then back down. I don't know what it's called, so don't blame me. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then draw like three lines. I know, it is not even. This one is smaller than this one. I am not the best at even drawing, so don't. You know what? Why am I even talking about this stuff? Let's keep going. Now for the base of her tail, I'm gonna start, it's like kind of almost connecting with the body almost, and then coming down and up, like a U shape again. And then same thing from the other side, and then I'm gonna connect it with the top, just like that. And now you might be wondering, where's her hair? Where's her face? Well, we're gonna be doing that now. I'm going to start here on the top of the head, and then go up and down, like a little upside down bird almost. Okay. And now you can make her hair as crazy as you want, because I mean it is in the water. So I'm gonna start here, like kind of wavy, go up and over, and then I'm going behind her hand, and then I'm gonna go back here and connect them together. Told you my parents are gonna walk in.
Oh, sorry guys. Come on, Luna, let's go outside.
See, aren't you glad that I warned you? And I'm gonna start from right here and draw like a little hairline going to the back. And now, whoops, I'm gonna draw 2 circles for her eyes. That honestly is creeping me out right now. So I'm gonna draw 3 circles. It's a little bit hard to do since it's small, but I'm gonna draw 3 circles on both inside both eyes. And feel free to pause the video if you feel like I'm going too fast and you need me to slow down. And that's, I gotta say, that still looks kind of creepy. So I'm gonna shade in the eyes except for the circles that you drew. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna draw her nose. It's gonna be like a little triangle. It can be in whatever direction you want, and you don't have to draw your nose how I'm drawing my nose. You can do like a little half circle like that, or I don't know, that's not even a nose, but okay. I don't care. And now I'm gonna draw her little smile. And now I'm gonna finish the tail with her fins. I'm gonna go up and then connect back with the end of the tail and kind of curving, and then draw some lines in there. I don't know. And I did come prepared. I'm going to start coloring. And I'm gonna speed this part up. And you of course don't have to color your mermaid, but you can if you want. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I enjoy the Little Mermaid, so that's why I'm coloring her hair red. Well, this marker does not work very well. Yeah, that's what. So I got a new marker. It's not exactly red. It's more like an orange red, but I'll make it work. So basically now, half of her hair is red, half of it's orange. And now, I'm sorry, I did not realize that you can't see it. Seashells are pink, and I'm gonna make her tail red. Not red, green. I don't know what's wrong with me right now, but kind of got smudged. Okay, and that is my mermaid. I am so sorry. I literally just realized that you couldn't see anything the whole time I was coloring, so I really apologize. That was, I was literally almost screaming when I saw that the pillow, the camera was face down like that. So I'm really sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed making your mermaid. Again, I am so sorry that you couldn't see anything while I was coloring. This is how it turned out. Send me pictures of your mermaid that you drew. Like, post it in the comments so I can see it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Goodbye!